we saw another day of gains for stocks, the biggest four-day advance since December. Deborah Kostroun has the highlights from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. And of course, yes, all this week we have seen this huge rally in stocks. And remember, we started out Monday's session with the Dow below 12,000, and here we are, 12,414. So it definitely has been a huge rally. And of course, the S&P starting out this week well below 1,300, in fact, at 1,268. And all this week, it has been positive news coming out of Greece that they likely won't default, and that has really been propelling this market higher. And also, as we close out today's session, it's the last day of the second quarter, which also could have had something to do with the rally. But also, we closed out the first half of the year with some pretty nice gains for the major averages. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up 7% year-to-date, and the S&P up 5% year-to-date. Pimm?
Now, Deborah, what did traders say about the S&P 500 closing above the 50-day moving average, this short-term technical gauge?
Right. And, you know, traders really look at those technicals, and a lot of traders saying that it really just kind of confirms the strength of the rally that we've been seeing this week. Also, they say it's a very bullish sign for the market for the S&P to close above that 50-day moving average. Now, if you take a look at what investors were buying, this also kind of feeds into the fact that maybe this is a sign of the strength in this rally, is that investors were buying cyclical stocks. Of course, those are stocks that do well when the economy is on the upswing. So we saw stocks like Joy Global, also Ingersoll Rand, Parker Hannifin, and also Caterpillar doing well, and the Dow Transports. Of course, they are always considered a proxy for economic growth, and we saw the Dow Transports performing well in today's session. That's it from here. Pimm, back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.